How to delete Instagram story replies. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your Instagram account. You will land to the home page. Now at the top right corner, you will find this message icon. Click on it. With that, you will land to the chat section. Now open the conversation with the person whose story you have replied to. After you open it, you will find all of your replies. Now how to delete it? It's really simple. All you need to do is long press on the reply. With that, you will get different options. Click on the option of unsend. Click on OK. You can apply the same process. All you need to do is long press on it and then unsend it. Likewise, there is another way as well. For that, head towards your profile page. At the top right, you will find 3 bars. Click on it. Go to the option Your Activity. Under Interaction section, you will find the option of Story Replies. You have to open that option, and with that, you will be able to find all of your story replies, and from that page, you can easily delete the replies. So this is how you can delete Instagram story replies. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.